Who was the Somerton Man? It began at 6:30 a.m. on the 1st of December 1948, when some passers-by discovered the body of a man on Somerton Beach in Adelaide, Australia, just west of the city. The police arrived and launched a murder investigation. At the hospital, doctors examined the body but could not find out for sure how the man had died. In his pockets were a bus ticket from the city, a train ticket, a comb, chewing gum, cigarettes, and matches. There was no wallet or identification. Nobody knew who the man was. The police continued their investigation. They could not identify the man using fingerprints or dental records. Then, 2 weeks after the discovery of the body, there was a breakthrough. They found a suitcase that the man had left at Adelaide Station the day before his death. Inside the case were some clothes, a knife, scissors, and a brush. However, these possessions did not reveal the man's identity. In fact, somebody had removed the labels from most of his clothes and another label from the suitcase itself. A new expert joined the investigation, John Cleland, a professor at the University of Adelaide. In April, he found a clue that everybody else had missed: a small piece of paper in a secret pocket inside the dead man's trousers. On the paper were 2 words in Persian: Tamam Shud. They are the final 2 words of a famous Persian poem, the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam. And they mean, it is the end. Somebody had torn the paper from an old book that contained the poem. A few months later, a man gave police a copy of the Rubaiyat. He said somebody had dropped it into his open-top car the day after the man on Somerton Beach died. The last page of the book, with the final 2 words, was missing. In the book, the police found 2 clues: a telephone number and a message. The message was in a secret code. The second line was crossed out, and some letters were unclear. The telephone number belonged to a nurse. She said she had given a copy of the Rubaiyat to a soldier called Alfred Boxall in 1945. Finally, the police had solved the mystery. Obviously, the dead man was Alfred Boxall. There was only one problem. Alfred Boxall was still alive. The police found him and interviewed him. What is more, he still had his copy of the Rubaiyat. The mystery of the body on Somerton Beach continued. So what about the mysterious 5-line message? Could that contain the answer to this puzzle? Perhaps, but unfortunately we do not know what the message says. Nobody has ever solved the secret code.